It's Wacky Wednesday, so let's open some Journey Together. 1,000 subs and I can open up the Greninja EX box. And I'm looking for the Lillie's Clefairy EX Special Illustration Rare. Got an Energy. Alolan Geodude. Lotad. Sentret. Enz Zoroark. Virizion. Hops. Choice Band. Articuno. Reverse Hollow Milcery. Oh! Ferret. Illustration rare because it's got 1 gold star. And Hollow Meganium. No, Meganium, sorry. Bye!